Good morning, students. In this class, we will start the new chapter Birds Around Us. We see different kind of birds around us like crow, sparrow, pigeon and myna. The birds can fly. The trees provide the birds their all basic needs for survival like food, shelter, place for nesting. Since we are cutting down trees in large numbers, the birds like sparrows are first disappearing from our cities. To get back these sparrows in our city, we have to stop cutting the trees and create more green spaces like parks and gardens. Now let us learn about the common features of birds. All the birds lay eggs. The bird have a beak and two legs. If we notice a bird, then we can see that the bird have beak, wing, down feathers, feet, tail feathers and flight feathers. The birds are the only animal whose have the feathers. The feathers give the birds its shape and color. And the feathers keep the bird warm. The feathers of the bird help to fly, and because of the different color of feathers, the bird easily can hide themselves from enemies. But we can see different kind of feathers. The first one is down feathers, second one is flight feathers, and third one is tail feathers. The down feathers cover the body of the bird and keep it warm. And these feathers are in small size and soft. Next one is flight feathers. These flight feathers help the bird to fly. And the next one is tail feathers. These feathers spread out like a fan when the bird land on the